Good morning, beautiful people. Eli here, back with another Monday Memo. I got a few things to share with you, and then I will let you get on with your day. Let's begin.
What's the news?
The offices of PPAR and RSC are closed today in observance of Memorial Day, a day that honors America's military men and women who lost their lives in service to their country. We will reopen tomorrow during normal business hours, but in the meantime, we hope that you get to spend the day with your loved ones.
Have a great day.
While you're with your loved ones, ask them if they'd be interested in joining you to volunteer for the Habitat for Humanity Volunteer Day. On June 8th, there will be 2 locations available for you to participate at. And lucky for you, we still have openings for each shift.
I guess I am lucky.
Reserve your spot now using the link in the description, and feel free to share it with colleagues, friends, family, and even your volunteer buddies.
You know me so well.
Before we move on to the next topic, I want to share that 81% of our viewers are not subscribed. So please click on that subscribe button so we can reach our goal of 500 subscribers. Thank you. A couple days before Volunteer Day, on Thursday, June 6th, the course Marijuana and Real Estate will be live in class for just $25 for members. From how marijuana is managed in homes to its effects on air quality, Chris Keldson offers a comprehensive look at marijuana legalization in Colorado.
Colorado?
Yeah.
Sunshine State.
Yep. Don't mess with Colorado.
No.
For more detailed information, check the description below. We will also post the link to register.
I make your life easy.
Did you know that PPAR and RSC has online store catalogs? To view the online catalog, you can log into your member portal, locate the PPAR Member Services module, click on the Member Services square, scroll down and click on PPAR Store and RSC SentriLock catalogs. And voila, you can view all the available items you'd want to buy, like Realtor logo pins, open house signs, and even the Lockbox Buddy for your SentriLock lockboxes.
It's a lot of boxes.
Yeah.
These items are available for purchase Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the PPAR front desk office. For any questions or concerns, you can contact Member Services at 719-633-7718, option 3, or email us at ims@ppar.org.
Come visit.
Well, that's a wrap for this week's Monday Memo. Thank you all for tuning in, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Peace.